In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip your canvas for better perspective checks in Clip Studio Paint. Flipping your canvas is one of the simplest ways to catch issues in proportion, balance, and perspective that your eyes might miss after staring at a drawing for a while. Think of it like holding your artwork up to a mirror. You'll see it from a fresh angle without changing the actual image. Let's walk through it clearly so you can use this anytime you need a quick visual reset. Start by opening Clip Studio Paint. Once you're in your document, move your cursor up to the top menu and click View. From there, go to Rotate, Invert, and select Flip Horizontal. The moment you do, the entire canvas view will flip left to right, just like a mirror. This is great for checking symmetry and spotting subtle tilts or distortions in faces, poses, and composition. Most importantly, your artwork itself is not being edited here. This is a view-only flip. Your layers, strokes, and final export remain untouched. You're simply changing how you look at the canvas to critique it more effectively. As you study your flipped view, pay attention to areas that suddenly feel off. Maybe a shoulder is higher than you thought, or an ellipse isn't as round as it seemed. Flipping horizontally helps reveal these issues quickly, so you can adjust your drawing with more confidence. Now let's try a vertical flip for another perspective check. Once again, go to View, open Rotate, Invert, and choose Flip Vertical. The canvas will flip upside down. This can feel unusual at first, but it's incredibly helpful for evaluating balance, weight, and perspective lines. Seeing your work inverted forces your brain to focus on shape, spacing, and alignment rather than the subject itself. It's a simple way to catch perspective slants, uneven spacing, and tangents that might be hiding in plain sight. Just like before, this vertical flip only changes what you see, not the artwork you've created. It's temporary and purely for evaluation. Use it when you want a clean, objective look at your composition. Take a moment to scan the overall silhouette, the flow of lines, and how elements relate to each other. Little inconsistencies often pop right out when the canvas is upside down. That's all there is to it. Open Clip Studio Paint, go to View, Rotate, Invert, and use Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical to check your work from new angles. It's a quick, non-destructive habit that can dramatically improve accuracy and polish in your drawings. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing those flips to sharpen your eye.